Welcome to MarineMax Fort Myers. This is our 2020 Sea Ray 250 SDX outboard. This particular boat has a black gel coat on the sides and a black 250 Mercury Verado. It's a 4-stroke engine. Super quiet, very fuel efficient. One of the nice things about this boat is how much room you get on the back swim deck here. Typically not seen on an outboard. This one has a bimini top. Stern boarding ladder. A nice one-level walk-through. So we're up on the boat now, and one of the cool things you can do is move this aft seat in when you're at the beach, and it opens up this back deck even more. You got great storage underneath there. Storage in this seat as well. And when you're underway, you can push this seat back and it opens up the cockpit. Unique side walk-through here, which creates a huge console and a big head on this boat. You even have cushions that go over top of the head for a little place to get out of the sun. Digital dash with SIMRAD. It'll have your GPS on there, your sonar, and all your data for your engine. Fusion stereo. Walk to the bow here. You have a cooler up here. You also have one in the back. Bow boarding ladder. Another Fusion speaker, cup holders. So if you'd like more information on this boat or want to see it in person, please give us a call, 239-481-8200. Thanks, have a great day.